Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Telegram public channel link. First, open the Telegram application on your smartphone or computer. Next, locate and tap the pencil icon, usually found at the bottom right, or the menu button to initiate a new chat. From the options that appear, select New Channel to begin the creation process. This is the essential first step to setting up your new communication hub. After selecting New Channel, you will be prompted to give your channel a name. Choose something clear and memorable that reflects its content. You can also add an optional description, which helps new members understand what your channel is about. Crucially, you must select Public Channel from the available options. This setting makes your channel visible and searchable to all Telegram users, allowing for broad reach. Now comes the exciting part, setting your public link. This link is how people will find and join your channel. You need to create a unique and memorable username for your channel, which will form the basis of your public link. Remember, this link must be at least 5 characters long. Choose wisely, as this will be your channel's permanent address on Telegram, making it easily shareable. Once you have set your public link, review all your channel settings and confirm them to finalize the creation process. Your public channel is now live. The final step is to share your unique public link with your audience. You can post it on social media, embed it on your website, or send it directly to friends. Effective promotion will help your channel grow and reach many new subscribers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.